Is it time to buy or sell Asset Entities stock? In this video, we will explore Asset Entities in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 9th of September, 2025, our system has identified Asset Entities as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will keep a close eye on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $6.64 would first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the initial signs of a trend reversal. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 6.07% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 57.52% to negative 0.665%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 63.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 32.98% to positive 282.26% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.21 and $24.01. Our latest daily update for Asset Entities includes the headline, High Volatility in Asset Entities Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $6.28. The Asset Entities Incorporated stock price gained 17.82% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025, rising from $5.33 to $6.28. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 20.37%, with a day low at $5.40 and a day high of $6.50. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 30.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 3 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $50,071,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $13.40, and the lowest price was 33.5 cents. Currently, the price is 53.13%, or $7.12, below the 52-week high, and 82.01%, or $28.62, below the all-time high on February 3, 2023, when the price reached $34.90. Shareholders of Asset Entities have approved the merger with Strive, paving the way for the newly combined company to trade under the symbol ASST and function as a public Bitcoin treasury vehicle. The registration statement for the merger was declared effective in late August, and earlier this year, the deal secured financing commitments of up to $750 million, with the potential to reach $1.5 billion upon the exercise of warrants. This leaves the combined balance sheet free of any debt from borrowed money. The management team has indicated that their strategy is to maximize Bitcoin exposure per share through innovative capital and asset management tools. In the short term, the approval of the merger and the substantial committed financing are likely to boost the stock value, creating positive momentum and attracting both speculative and institutional interest. However, there are risks of near-term dilution from the PIPE shares and warrants, along with ongoing shareholder litigation, which could limit gains or increase volatility. Over the long term, effective accumulation of Bitcoin and robust capital deployment could significantly enhance the valuation of ASST. Nevertheless, the results will be closely tied to the price of Bitcoin. Execution risks regulatory scrutiny, and any ongoing legal challenges. Analysts have assigned Asset Entity stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for asset entities. The Asset Entities Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there is expected support at $5.83 and $4.51. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 28, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 6.13% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 324 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for asset entities. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.59 and $5.33. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Asset Entities Inc. finds support just below today's level at $5.59. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.33 and $4.80. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.10 between its high and low, or 20.37%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 25.93%. Before we explore potential trading levels for asset entities, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of potential bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for asset entities. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for asset entities is at $6.86. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Asset Entities faces its first support level at $5.59. Should this support level hold, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for asset entities from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 4th of June, 2025, when Galbert Michael executed an insider sale of 30,000 shares of Class B common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.95. reflecting a decrease of 5.27%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top observed 7 days ago. Is Asset Entity stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe that the present level could represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for the stock to perform well in the near term. Consequently, we have upgraded our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation from a hold to a buy candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 10th of September, we anticipate that Asset Entities will open lower by 220 cents, starting at $6.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.